How to fix your start button not working on your Windows computer. So if you're trying to open up the start menu in the taskbar and it's either not opening or just not working in general, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is just go and press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and that should bring up this task manager window here. Now, you can also press Ctrl-Shift and the escape key, and this also should bring up the task manager window. Now, in the search box, just go and search for Explorer, and you need to locate the Windows Explorer. Now all we're going to do is right click on this process and go and press Restart, and once you've done that you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, you can click on Run New Task in the top navigation and then type in explorer.exe and then go and press Enter, and then once again go and check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, we're going to bring back up the Task Manager window by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete. You can then press Run New Task, and then we're going to type in CMD and make sure to check this box, create this task with admin privileges. Then go and press OK. In this window, type in SFC /scan now and then go and press Enter. Now you'll just need to wait a few minutes while this checks your system for any corrupted files. So just wait for this verification to get to 100%, and once you've done that, you can check again to see if it solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, then just come down to your taskbar and right click on the Windows icon. You then need to go and press Settings. In the left hand side, click on Windows Update and just ensure that your computer is fully up to date. So you can see I have a bunch of things here that I need to go and update and install, and if you see a blue check for updates button, just go and press that and just make sure your system is fully up to date. Now if you've tried all of the steps so far and it's still not working, you can click on System in the left hand side, scroll down to where it says Recovery and click on this. Now where it says Reset this PC, click on Reset PC, and you'll have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. We're going to select Keep My Files. How would you like to reinstall Windows? We're going to click on Cloud Download. Now just bear in mind that this is a last resort, as this is going to reinstall Windows onto your computer. Now if you choose the option to keep your files, all of your personal documents will remain on your computer, but it will still go and remove any applications or third-party things you've downloaded. So if you're happy to do this, just go ahead and press Next, and that's another way to go and solve this issue.